How was your day, Ketchup?
Not bad, man. Not bad at all. How about you, Mustard?
It was good, man. It's Friday. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, as promised, I'm gonna be putting a reverse on this tandem trike. It's really gonna help with my parallel parking. And if you wanna see the full build, I'm gonna put the link on the top over there. So it's a fairly simple process. Out of your motor is coming this wire right here, and it has 4 colored wires. So there is a red, yellow, black, and blue. The red and yellow are for pedal assist. I'll show you that later. But for the reverse, there's the black and the blue. So all you have to do, basically, if you connect it, your bike's gonna start going in reverse. So if you have a toggle switch lying around or a rock switch, all you gotta do is basically connect it, make sure the connection is good, you solder it on, and when you toggle the switch, it's gonna go forward and reverse. So I'm gonna solder that right now, and then my bike should have reverse then. Okay, so I have the reverse now set up. Let's try it out. So like I said, if I press the on button, it's gonna go full reverse, and then off is gonna be forward. And then you can, with the Magic Pi, if you have a USB cable or a Bluetooth, you can actually change the speed of how fast you wanna go backwards. So if you have like a 4-wheel quad cycle, you can go much faster, and this one I'm not gonna do it too fast because I'm gonna tip over. So let's try it out now. So forward, and now backwards. That's so cool. All right, that's it for this video. Hope it helped, and until next time, we'll see you later.